What's up, guys? It is Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and I hope you watched the last 2 minutes of my video from a few days ago because Bitcoin did basically exactly what I kind of graphed out. We broke the 67 level, and where did we go? 62.50. So that's why I always say know your price points. Usually it's not that clean and that easy, but yeah, pretty much pointed out those levels for you, and it did its thing. So yeah, yuck. So as you see, boom, was prior tops, did nothing. We blew right through it and came right back to this bottom, and we bounced off of it since a little bit. Now the question is, are we going to bounce up to 6,700, and then what's going to happen there? Because I got to be honest with you, either A, I don't even want to go to 6,700, or B, if we get there, we need to go through it. And why? Because if not, we're basically going to create a clear head and shoulders pattern, which isn't fun. I also call it the middle finger pattern because it sort of looks like that if you were to like draw around it. But anyway, it's called the head and shoulders pattern. And let me zoom in here. So basically, this right here, this is the shoulder. This big move is the head. Now, if we were to rally here up to 67, 6,800, and then turn down, that is the other shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And this is a very elongated one. Usually it's a little tighter. This is a big head. You got a big head. So anyway, I don't know. I don't want to I'm never going to anticipate a pattern, but the way we're going, I would not be surprised if we do create this right shoulder. And if we do, that's not good because the neckline is 62.50, and that becomes very pivotal because if we don't hold the neckline, then down she goes, and the yearly lows are our next target. So let's hope none of that develops. So ideally what we want to see is at least consolidation here, and then an eventual rise, and we need to overtake this 67 and change level and then push higher, because if we don't, then like I said, we risk creating a head and shoulders pattern, and then we risk essentially cracking 62.50 on the downside, and then down she goes. So let's have none of that happen. But I don't know. Everything looks weak, and August and September are not exactly the strongest historical months for cryptocurrency. So it could be a rough go, but you never know what can happen. And who knows, maybe in September, when the SEC reviews the Bitcoin ETFs again, they will say something positive. Although, I'll be honest, I think they're just going to kick it down the road again. I wouldn't be surprised if they kick it down the road until next year, because they are collecting data. So yeah, but that's the deal. So cover your asses, because in the end, the most important part of investing and actively trading is protecting your capital, so you have money to buy stuff when the opportunity is right. And that is all. I will put links in show notes and whatnot for all sorts of good info. And I'll see you in the next video. The cat is out.